currencies. I thought with Geoff being away, he might give me Aussie dollar as a chart to look at today, but he didn't. He gave me a different chart, and I'm going to share screen and talk about that. So when it comes to the technicians' 2 cents worth today, Geoff is away celebrating Anzac Day in Australia, and he's asked me to talk about this chart here. I've got a monthly chart up of Euro GBP, and this is what you call a long-term range. And I want to point out that if you want to, you can definitely pull the bottom of the range down to here. And I don't think there's any doubt that's the full range. But also, if you come back up to this level around here, you do find a number of bottoms. And that might sound a bit weird, you know. It's not meant to sound weird, but we've got the low here, lower the candle here, low here, lower the candle here. So there is some other levels, and we can pull it back up if we want to. And this level has also had a little bit of work. Where we've seen some lows forming here. I don't think this is generally the low. I think that, for mine, the real low is here. I think you can get away with here. But certainly what we are seeing is Euro GBP in a long-term range. What we have seen now is we've seen this bounce back off this horizontal level and taking out this horizontal level. This is a monthly chart, so it's a pretty big bounce on Euro GBP. And look, when I crank down, as Geoff asked me to do, to have a bit of a look on the weekly chart, we've seen a bit of a level here, pull back off it, bit of a run back at it, daily, and again, we need to be aware we've seen a push at this level, a lower high, and now we need to break this level. And what we're looking for, I think, really, just going to get down onto this 4-hour chart, but I think the same thing still applies for us really here. What we're looking for really to get our entry here is to have this level go. If we can get up above this level, get a pullback and a retest and a move longer, I think that's a real winner. The other option for us here is just to be patient and see if we can get a pullback down. Weekly pivot here will move, and I'll just put a tool on here that'll tell us where it'll move so we know. Market scan 6.1, just bring that on here. And if I click on, it's still on this one, eh? Next weekly pivot, I'll click on that. So weekly pivot's going to be around the same actually. And look, our options here are to say we think we've seen this bounce in the range in the big picture, so we're looking for longs. And our longs are break of this level, retest to this level and go long, or wait for a pullback down to this level here. Last week's weekly pivot is always a strong level. The fact that this week's weekly pivot is going to be in the same place gives us this nice area through here where we can look for bounce and a move up. So I've been looking either for a retest around this 86.73 level or a break and retest of this horizontal level around 87.11. And either one of those would give me a chance to get long. I won't have a look at Aussie because Geoff's the master of range trading, not me. I'd like to thank you for your company today. I hope you've enjoyed the Sunday Market Analysis show. Do play the new game on the Actions to Wealth Facebook page. Pick the Euro. You can enter once a day, and the winner gets a $50 Actions to Wealth voucher. Nice and easy. Share it with your friends. We're going to play it for a while. We're hoping to see a bit of interaction, give you guys something that's a bit of fun. Feel free, in addition to putting your price, to put your theory as to why. So you can say, not much news this week, etc., whatever else it is, but let us know why you're into it, and we will have some fun having a look at that over the coming weeks. Okay, that sums us up for this week. Thank you very much to the team for joining me tonight. It's always great to have your company. We've had Julian, and we've had Ashton, we've had Ainsley, and we've had Shukri, and we've had Lloyd, and appreciate all of your help today, guys. And to those that have joined us in the room, for those that have joined us on YouTube, for those that have joined us on Facebook, for those of you that have joined us on Twitter, thanks for your company. We'll see you next week. Cheers, guys. Have a good week. Remember, stay calm and make good decisions. And if you do, trading will work out. Cheers, guys. See you later.